This time on building terminology, roof battens. A roof batten is part of the framing system, normally a small sectional size like 38 by 38 for tile battens and possibly 70 by 35 for a metal roof. They're usually made of timber, although I have seen metal tile battens on the market. And basically they're used to fix your sheets or your tiles or your slates off to the roof or to a ceiling.
If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And you can also follow me on Facebook.